Well, hello everybody. This is Victoria Lowe and I am back with another video, which means another color. I missed you guys so much. First things first, click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell and connect with me on Instagram at very_Veelo. I'm coming at you with this beautiful blue color. It has some great undertones in it, which makes it perfect for fall. Excuse me guys, that's just me being silly. But yes, this color is absolutely beautiful and I cannot wait to share with you guys how I made it. First things first, I'm going in with a teaspoon of a Very Veelo lipstick bullet base. This base is formulated so that it can go into a bullet and form hard and stay put together. So it is very good for bullets. And I'm going in with a teaspoon of that. Next, I'm going again with a 1/4 teaspoon of the white liquid concentrate. And you can purchase this on my website at veryveelobeauty.com as well as the base. I also have a video showing you guys how to make the base on your own, so be sure to check that out. But this white liquid concentrate is ideal for giving us that white background so that we can see everything, all of the colors come together. Next, I'm going in with a smidgen of the black liquid concentrate. I got these super small mini spoons from TKB Trading. I'll be sure to link that in the description box as well. And I'm only using a little bit of the black for now, just to give us those great undertones to kind of tone down that blue. And would you guys believe that I am using pink today? Yes, I'm using those same spoons in a pinch, and I'm using a pinch of the pink liquid concentrate in our mixture. Now I am going in with the main star of the show with a 1/2 teaspoon of the blue liquid concentrate. You guys, I did not hold back on the pigment when making these concentrates. They are packed with pigment and you will soon see that when you see the color payoff of the lipstick. But yes, that is 1/2 teaspoon of the blue liquid concentrate. After all of your colors have been placed into the beaker, make sure that you put the beaker into a pot of water, and make sure that the pot of water is not high because you don't want it to overpower the beaker, and cover it. And now I am taking our mold. I took the mold apart and I'm going in with some castor oil, and I'm just oiling the grooves of the mold so when it's time for the lipstick to slide out, it will slide out with ease. So I'm just getting the grooves of the mold as well as that top portion of the mold with the holes. You want to make sure that you oil the inside as well as the outside of that too. When removing your beaker from the water, you want to make sure that it is completely dry, because as you guys know, oil and water does not mix and you don't want your lipstick to get molded. So make sure that there are no traces of water where there shouldn't be no traces of water on the inside, but definitely on the outside you want to make sure that that outside is dry. So I'm taking my NorPro mini mixer. I got it from Amazon. I'll be sure to link it, and I'm just mixing the colors and the melted base, and I'm just mixing it together really well until all of the color is incorporated evenly. I know that I'm gonna need a little more blue in this mixture, so I went in with 1/4 teaspoon of the blue liquid concentrate and 1/8 teaspoon, which is 1/2 of the black liquid concentrate, because I don't want this lipstick to be light and opaque. I want to add depth to the lipstick, so I'm just going in and I'm mixing that in. Now I'm going in and doing a swatch check, and that is a beautiful blue if that's what you are shooting for. But I do want more depth in mine, but I just wanted to check the progress and see how far we came. And I must say that I do like this blue too, but I am going to keep going. So I'm going to set the beaker on the inside of the pot because I don't want the contents to harden. And after that, I'm going to take the beaker out and add 1/2 teaspoon of the blue liquid concentrate. And I'm going to mix that very well. So I'm going to do a swatch right next to the first blue one that we did. And you guys can see that this blue is more potent and it is more toned down than the first blue. And that is exactly what I was going for. Because, you know, a lot of people, they wear blue in the fall too. And I just wanted to give you guys that bluish color with that gray undertone. And it looks like we have a match. And so now I'm pouring it in to our mold. And then I'm going to take it off to the refrigerator to cool for 15 minutes. Now that we are back with our lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and scrape off the top of our lipstick using a scraper. And I'm just going to lightly scrape off the top so that the bottom can be flat. And I'm going to gently plop the top off. But you guys, you see what happens when your lipstick doesn't form long enough? It cracks. It will crack in half. So what you want to do is you want to make sure instead of 15 minutes in the fridge or freezer, leave it in there for a good 30. So good thing is I had some mixture left over. I let it sit in a pot to melt a little bit more, back down to that liquid consistency so that it wouldn't be clumpy. And now I'm going to re-pour my mixture into the mold, the mixture that I have left, and I'm going to try it again. Yes, even I make mistakes. We have to make mistakes in order to learn. So there you have it. So I'm just going to take this off to the freezer for 30 minutes this time. And now I am back. I was not able to record me sliding the top of the mold off for some reason. My apologies. So I did slide the mold off, and you guys know the routine. When I slide the mold off and I slide the lipstick into the mold and gently tug it out. If you want to see that, I have other videos showing you how. But yes, this is the blue lipstick that we just made, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It is so pretty, and I have all of the liquid concentrates available on my website in both 1 and 2 ounce. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I appreciate your support. Stay blessed.